Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Standard 6, Subject Sanskrit. I am your KT teacher. Today I am going to explain chapter 2. Hope you all are sitting with your textbook. Now concentrate here. The chapter name is Akashaha Patati. What is the meaning of Akashaha Patati? The sky is falling. You can see this is a one picture in your chapter. A rabbit sleeping under a tree. Now let's find out who said the sky is falling and where the sky is falling. Let's start. एकं वनम् अस्ति तत्र शशकः निवसति शशकः शयनं करोति. Once there is a forest. There lives a rabbit. The rabbit is sleeping. Who is sleeping? Rabbit is sleeping. पण पतति शशकः पीता भवति. The leaf falls. The rabbit is frightened. Who frightened? Rabbit is frightened. Frightened means rabbit घबराई गयो, बी गयो. शशकः धावति शुग्राला आगच्छत्. Shashaka means rabbit and Sugrala means fox. The rabbit runs. A fox arrive. Who arrive? A fox arrive now. Shashaka vadati Sugrala भ्राता धावतु आकाशः पतति शशका धावति शुक्राला अनुधावति. The rabbit says, Brother fox, run, the sky is falling. The rabbit runs, the fox is following the rabbit. Now rabbit and fox both are running together. Vanara agachat शशका वदति वानरा भ्राता धावतु आकाशः पतति. The monkey arrive. Who arrive? Vanar means monkey. The monkey arrives. The rabbit says, Brother monkey, run. The sky is falling. Now come on page number 7. भीता शशका धावतु सुग्राला अनुधावतु वानरा अपि अनुधावतु. The frightened rabbit runs. The fox follows it. Even monkey follows them. Now rabbit, fox and monkey, all three animals are running. Sinha agachati. Sinha vadati shashaka kimat dhavatu. The lion arrives. The lion says, Rabbit, where are you running? Sinha means lion. Lion. Who is a lion? Lion is the king of our jungle. Jungle na raja kevai lion. Shashaka vadati Sinha bhrata dhavatu akashah patati. Sinha vadati Akashah patati va kutra patati. The rabbit says, Brother lion, run. The sky is falling. The lion asks, The sky is falling. Where it is falling? Who asked this question? Lion. Sasaka agachati. Siंह अपि स agachati. Sasaka gachati. Siंह अपि स gachati. The rabbit goes. The lion follows it. Now both lion and rabbit both come under the tree where the rabbit was sleeping. Shashaka वृक्ष समीपम आगच्छति. सिंहः वदति कुत्र पतति आकाशः. शशकः किमपि न वदति सिंहः हसति. The rabbit comes near the tree. The lion says, "Where is the sky falling?" The rabbit does not say anything. The lion laughs. Who is laughing? The lion is laughing. Sasaka palayanam karoti. The rabbit is running away. Now the rabbit running away is gone. Okay student, hope you understand this chapter. Now come on page number 8. Glossary. See the glossary. Glossary meanings. Shashaka. Shashaka means rabbit. Patati is falling. Bhita feared. Bhavati happened. Sukralaha fox. Agachati is coming. Vadati is speaking. Dhavatu run. Anudhavati is falling. Kimatham why. Kutra where. Kimapi anything. Palayanam run away. Vishesh मतलब આપણે જોઈએ. Now see here kimapi. Kimapi is a joining words. When we divide or separate it, we got two words. That is called sandhi. Kim and api. This is called sandhi. Now we'll see the exercise. Question number 1. Pronounce the following words orally. Shashakah bhita. Agachati vanar bhrata. Anugachati vrikshamipam. Okay, you have to pronounce it. See the question number 2. Look at the picture in A and their name in B. Then join them properly. See, in A there is a picture. In B, with B we have to join it. First picture is, you can just find out which is the first picture. The first picture is rabbit. Rabbit means sasaka. Second one is monkey. Monkey with vanaraha. Lion. Lion means siha. Now the fourth one is fox. Fox means sugralaha. Last one tree. Tree means vriksha. Now come on page number 9. Page number 9 is your homework, because when you learn the chapter, you can identify the picture and easily you can match. So this is your homework. You have to done with your own. Okay student, hope you all enjoyed this chapter, this story. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.